Hi everyone, my name is Anushka Rajput and I study here at École Intuit Lab in PG advertising course.
Hello, my name is Avni Agarwal. I am studying in École Intuit Lab. I am doing post-graduation diploma in advertising and digital communication.
So we had a workshop of art direction and we did some really amazing work with creative process, art direction, camera work, as well as lighting.
These days we were having a workshop of art direction taken by Shridhar Sudhir.
So basically, the brief that we were given was to make a short film using the characters and using lighting work and coming up with a genre as well.
We have learned about the art direction, basically like how setups are done, stages are made.
So the story that we had set up was inside a library, as you can see behind me. So this is the setup that we had done. I was responsible for the art direction work, and similarly my team members were given their roles as well, which was for camera, lighting, director.
Overall, this was such an amazing experience. It was we got so much to learn, and like personally I really wanted to know about art direction and how movies are made. So École Intuit Lab gave us that opportunity to learn that from a person who is already in this industry.
It was an amazing experience and we had learned a lot.